Hey everyone, it's Doug here, feeling the urge to recapture that childhood thrill of flying a plane. Well, I recently picked up this DEERC plane, which let me tell you, it brought back that feeling in a big way. The box includes the plane itself, a transmitter, 3 rechargeable batteries, and a USB charger. Assembly is super easy, took me about 5 minutes tops, no tools required, just snap a few pieces together. It's perfect for those of us who aren't exactly engineers, right? Now I know what you're thinking, this is a toy plane, right? And yes, it is marketed towards kids and it is definitely more on the toy side, but trust me, this is seriously fun for adults too. It's a great way to relieve stress, challenge yourself, bond with friends, rediscover your inner child, and actually spend a ton of great time with your... What do you say we bounce back out to the field and see what I thought right after I got done playing with it? This is exactly what it looks like. This is so fun, so easy to fly. It is super controllable, ultra durable. You can lawn dart it, crash it, whatever, throw it. It all just keeps working fine. Let me go get it. It was actually a little windy today, a little too windy for what you should be doing to use this, and it still flew well. I did find it was kind of entertaining trying to get it to go upwind. You kind of had to like give it power, but not enough power that it starts to, so yeah, it is, but totally doable and totally fun. If you're looking for a great RC where you could just grab the kids, go out to the field, have an awesome time, go with your friends, have a couple beers, have an awesome time, this is definitely a great option. It is high performance in the sense that it is super controllable. You can do all kinds of cool stunts, fly around. It is not high speed. It is not like, yeah, that's it. It is not high speed, high performance that way. It is high performance, like super controllable, low speed, can do all kinds of fun stuff with it. Super easy to fly. I think that's the most important thing. If you're looking for something easy to fly, this is definitely an option. You will have a great time. I believe it could be impossible to break. I didn't break it. It could really be impossible. Don't quote me on that, but that's my estimation. Don't forget to like, subscribe, follow. Actually, put in the comments below. Is this what you're looking for? Is this for yourself or is this for a kid? What are you doing with it? Let us know. I hope this was helpful. We'll see you next time.